Alright, so here we are inside a BuddyPress community and you will notice this flag-like icons across posts, comments, profiles and groups. These flags are the foundation of how moderation works here. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how that system functions from both the member side and the admin side. Moderation in BuddyPress isn't about watching everything manually. Instead, it allows members to quietly report content that feels inappropriate, spammy, or against community guidelines. Those reports don't create public arguments, they go directly into a moderation system for review. BuddyPress Moderation Pro is what powers this entire workflow. Every time something is flagged, it gets collected, categorized, and sent to a central moderation queue. Admins and moderators can review everything from one place instead of chasing issues across the site. Let's take a look at that. This is the moderation queue. Here you will see all reported content in one list: activities, activity comments, members, groups, messages, and forums. You can see the report count, the type of content, and its current moderation status. Clicking any item opens the full report history. Here you can see exactly what was flagged, the content type, and the current status, whether it's still pending or already acted on. Now back on the front end, if someone flags an activity post like this, they simply click the flag icon, choose a reason, and submit the report. What's important here is that this happens right where the content is, so members don't need to leave the page or figure out how to contact an admin. When logged in as a regular community member, moderation options are available directly on members' profile pages. The first option is blocking. Blocking is personal and only affects the viewer's experience. Once a member is blocked, their activity no longer appears in the feed, comments are hidden, private messages are disabled, and direct interactions are prevented. By going in settings of your profile, you can see the list of members who you have blocked. If the issue goes beyond that, there is also the option to report the member. From the same profile page, the flag option allows members to select a reason for the report and submit it. Just like with posts and comments, this report is sent into the moderation system for review by administrators or moderators. When a member is reported, the report shows up in the moderation panel with full details. From here, admins can apply direct restrictions based on the situation. This includes removing the member from the directory, blocking status updates, disabling private messaging, or restricting comments. If required, the account can also be locked to temporarily stop access. Groups follow the same moderation flow. If a group violates community guidelines, it can be flagged directly from the group page. This includes issues like spam, misleading descriptions, or groups created for the wrong purpose. When a group is reported, the report is sent into the moderation system just like any other content type. Administrators can then review the group details and decide what action is needed. The same moderation approach applies to forums when BB is active. Forum topics and individual replies can be reported if they contain inappropriate or off topic content. This allows moderation to happen at a very specific level without affecting the entire discussion unnecessarily. All group and forum reports are collected in the same moderation queue, so administrators don't need to manage different tools or workflows. Private messages are handled a bit differently, and that's mainly because privacy matters here. Inside a message thread, members don't report the entire conversation. Instead, they can report just a specific message, like this one. So, if something feels inappropriate, spammy, or uncomfortable, that exact message can be flagged without touching the rest of the chat. Once the flag is clicked, a reason is selected and the report is sent quietly in the background. Nothing dramatic happens in the conversation itself. The other messages stay exactly the same. On the moderation side, only that reported message is visible. The rest of the conversation stays private. This way, personal chats remain personal, but there's still a clear way to report issues when something genuinely crosses the line. To reduce manual work, auto moderation can be enabled. Go to the plugin's dashboard, restrictions, and each section has its own toggle. So, activities, comments, members, groups, messages, topics, and replies can all be handled separately. Once this is turned on, flagged content can be automatically restricted. Avatar moderation helps prevent inappropriate images from showing up in the community. When a member uploads or changes a profile photo, it doesn't go live right away. Instead, it's placed into a moderation queue and the member sees a message letting them know the avatar is pending approval. On the admin side, all pending profile photos and group avatars appear in the avatar moderation section. From here, each submission can be reviewed, approved, or rejected, making sure only appropriate images become visible across the site. So, overall, BuddyPress Moderation Pro gives you structured reporting, centralized control, and moderation that scales with your community. Everything stays organized, transparent, and manageable as community grows.